I mean, how delicious does this look? I'm so happy I'm on pureed foods, and this is amazing. It's so good, I want to cry. Hi everyone, it's June Penny and welcome to my channel. Let me give y'all a big old hug because I love each and every one of you, and I want to thank you all for your support throughout my amazing journey that I'm having from weight loss surgery. If you guys don't know, I had the gastric sleeve. I say vasectomy, but it's gastrectomy. And if you guys want to see any of my other videos prior to surgery, I will have them I will have them here. You will see little cards come out. Feel free to click them and go through my journey so you can see exactly what I was doing. Anyway, yesterday was my first follow-up with the doctor, and he was so pleased with me completely. Since my weight loss surgery, which was 10 days ago, sorry, I lost a total of 12 pounds. Yes, in 10 days, really, 10 days. So I lost a total of 33 pounds. I can't even believe it. I cannot believe it. I just can't believe it. So anyway, he gave me the most amazing news that I can start my puree diet. I have not been this happy in a long time. Yes, not that the liquids weren't bothering me. I was doing the liquids, no problem. I was cooking, I was feeding an army of people, and it was not it was not bothering me. But when you're told that you can have pureed foods, then your mind just starts going, you're like, yes, my body wants a little bit of food. So what I did was I went to the store and I got baby food jars. Yes, I got baby food jars. Now, I got the really, really small ones from a friend of mine who has a baby. So I told her to give me her empty food jars. And I bought a few of the 4 ounce and she gave me the 2 ounce because she has a little baby. So I decided to make some pureed foods and put them in the little baby jars. So let me just tell you what I got here. First of all, when I was told that I can have pureed foods, I was like, I already had from months ago my plan. What was I going to have for pureed foods? I didn't want to come out of surgery and be told you can have pureed foods, and then I'm like, what can I have? No, I had this all set in motion. I mean, this was in my brain. It was in my brain. So the first thing I made was, so the first thing I made was this amazing, it's called a ricotta bake. So it's ricotta cheese. It's basically the insides of a lasagna. Yes, I'm gonna open up this beautiful baby up and I'm gonna show you. I'll tell you everything that I have inside of it. And if you want any of these recipes, feel free to comment down below. Let me know if you want me to do videos on these recipes. So these are the 2 ounces. And this is basically lasagna in a jar, okay? So look at that. I just want you to look at this goodness, and it's packed with protein. So it has ricotta cheese, it has a little bit of pink Himalayan salt, a little bit of Italian seasoning, garlic powder, and then I put probably around a teaspoon of a marinara sauce. I use Victoria's because I love Victoria's so much. And they were having a sale for $3.99 for a huge jar. So I have the little sauce in here. This is basically just a teaspoon. And I put low moisture mozzarella cheese on top. So when I want this, I put this in the microwave for maybe like 30 seconds. And it does become like a soupy consistency, but that's okay. You can eat it like that, or you can just wait until it gets to room temperature, and then it is the most delicious, I can't even tell you, the most delicious meal. And it's so crazy because when I first ate this, I took 3 teaspoons and I was literally stuffed. I just couldn't believe that, like, really? This little thing? I can't. But the thing is, you need to listen to your body. You know when your body is getting full. You know that if you take another bite of this, you're going to probably throw up. Yeah. So as soon as you feel that you're getting full, stop immediately. Do not drink afterwards. Wait about 15 to 20 minutes before you drink anything. You don't want to flush this down. You want to sit there and you want to feel full for a while. Let's go on to what else I made. I also made egg salad. So I love egg salad, and you can do so many things with egg salad. You can even put a mashed or pureed avocado in with this. This is just basically a little bit of mayonnaise. It's 2 eggs and a little bit of pink Himalayan salt and black pepper. So this is what it looks like. Can you see it, boys? You guys know what egg salad looks like. And I love it. I love it. Next thing I have is this the one? Okay. Let's do this one because this is one of my favorites. This is refried beans. Refried beans. I got the fat-free refried beans. I put, again, pink Himalayan salt, garlic powder, and a little bit of Italian seasonings. And then I put cheddar cheese on top. Look at this. And again, put this in the microwave for about 30 seconds, and it becomes a, my mouth is watering. I don't even know how to explain it. It takes you back to Mexico. I know it takes me back to Mexico. It's got the flavors of Mexican food. It's just delicious, and I can't get enough of it. Again, this is a 2-ounce jar, and this gets me full, you guys. I mean, the next one is a chickpea hummus. Again, packed with protein. This is so delicious. And I put a little bit of roasted garlic in here. Very, very little. I want to see how my belly reacts to this. So I tried it a little bit before. It went down nicely, and yeah, so this is what it looks like. As you can tell, I was in it. And it smells so good. Oh my gosh. And I do suggest that you use a food diary. Every time you introduce yourself to a new food, a new texture, write it down. See how your body reacts. Because if your body reacts in a way where you're going to get acid reflux, you want to like X that out. Like, I'm not having that because it's going to hurt me. So keep a food diary until you get really used to the foods and the textures. That's what I was told, and so I'm doing that. I have these also. These are 4 ounces. So I will put some food in here in case I feel like, you know, my body can absorb a little more than 2 ounces, but I don't want to go any more than 3 to 4 ounces. So I bought these. I will be eating these though. These things I will be eating. So yay, I'm so excited. And then I stay on this for 10 days and then I graduate to soft food. And then 10 days after that, I graduate onto solid food. And I'm going to keep a complete diary so I know, excuse me, I've been doing this in every one of my videos, just like once every video, excuse me. Luckily, I haven't been getting any acid reflux. Nothing, no problem at all. It just really, it weirds me out that I'm getting full off of this. Like, this is my dinner. This is my dinner, okay? Anyway, you guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Wait. Other things that I want to use like this for, like the pureed, I am going to make tonight. I'm going to make a Frank's buffalo chicken dip. Yes, I am. Now, as you know, you have to have, like, anything you eat has to be protein packed. You must, especially if you're having 2 ounces, you have to make sure that everything is protein. So I am doing Frank's buffalo dip. Yes, and I know you're saying dip. Well, that doesn't sound good. It's very good. It's with canned chicken, or you can do rotisserie, but you have to puree it. The chicken, there is a little bit of sour cream, some yogurt, some hot sauce, and some cheese. It's going to be fire. It's going to be amazing. So yeah, and what else am I gonna do in here? I'm not really into pureeing meats like beef. I don't know. Like somebody says, oh, you can go to a fast food restaurant and just take the beef and the cheese out of the hamburger, like out of the bun, and puree it. And I'm like, I don't know if that would make me nauseous, but I mean, I'm gonna try it. Why not? Anyway, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you're doing any pureed diet, if you have any suggestions on what to do, what recipes are you using, I would love to hear from you. I love getting all the tips and tricks and advice and everything else. So I love you all and stay happy and beautiful. I love you all. See you in my next video. Bye-bye.